Sodick.
New Dynamics is primarily a mold and die shop that has been focused around the electronics and semiconductor industry for the last 50 years. An industry colleague that I worked with in the past was a sales guy for Sodick, and we bought our first sinker EDM from Sodick way back in the 90s, and when the hard mill technology came out, he introduced that to us. The original application, we bought it primarily for electrode support for the sinkers, CNC sinkers that we had in-house. At that time, it was primarily for EDM work, but now with expanding technology and cutter technology, we've moved into primarily hard milling. The linear technology that Sodick had out was the first of its kind, and we found it very appealing as it didn't allow for any backlash or any ball screw compensation. It's definitely changed the way we build tools. We're more efficient, we're more accurate, we take on applications that we normally wouldn't have taken on. Well, it's definitely helped immensely with increasing productivity and saving money. Applications where we have to, where we used to rough cavities out and then EDM them, we're now going straight to hard milling without any roughing at all. As you're aware, the machine that you checked out this week is 16 years old, and it showed that it's 100% repeatable after 16 years. We've had really good results with the Sodick that we have in-house. It's 16 years old, and the fact that there was literally no backlash or any degradation in accuracy after 16 years is pretty amazing. You can't compare that to a ball screw machine of the same age. It's just not even close to being comparable. Most impressed has been the linear technology as well as the finishes that we're still getting off of the machine. As you're aware, the machine that we have is old, and we decided last fall to pull another machine in, so now we've got 2 high-speed Sodick mills, and it's really helping drive our business. So these are some of the molds that we've manufactured for the electronics and overmold industry. This is for an IC, actually overmolds integrated circuits and computer chips. This mold here was one of our largest molds that we built, 364 cavities for a customer out in the Midwest for an automotive application for a light sensing device. These parts here are power devices. We manufacture molds for the power industry for overmolding integrated circuits. Motor technology. This mold here, we high-speed milled on the Sodick. That's the molded part. It's actually a diesel fuel injection part. We overmold direct on printed circuit boards, build molds for the circuit board industry, as well as the medical industry. Manufacture molds for the medical industry.
Mm-hmm.